So as you prepare to apply for a mortgage, you'll come across a lot of terms. And two of them that you'll see a lot is prequalification and preapproval. It's essential to understand what they mean because they'll help guide your home search and they help you focus on homes that you can afford. And when the time comes, it can also help you decide how much to offer, and it shows the seller that you are a serious buyer. So at the most basic level, prequalification, preapproval, they refer to steps that a lender can take to verify that you can afford a mortgage. So let's go over the difference because there is a huge difference in the two. First of all, I want you to know that lenders all work very differently. They use sometimes prequalification and preapproval interchangeably, but they mean two very different things, and that's important to know. So no matter what type of mortgage approval you get, it's not a guarantee that you'll close the loan. Prequalification or preapproval is a way to get a lender to help you, and it's a seller, they can estimate what you can afford, right? So let's go over what these two terms actually mean. What's a mortgage prequalification? So prequalification, it just means that a mortgage lender has collected some basic financial information and they've estimated how much home you can afford based off of that. So a prequalification, it isn't verified, right? It's all self-reported information. They don't pull your credit report. They don't review your financial documents. So being pre-qualified, it doesn't really mean much. It's just kind of an estimate and it's not verified. So when you go to put in an offer, they're not going to take that seriously. So pre-qualification with realtors and sellers, it won't carry any weight because the numbers are not verified. Now, the next step going beyond a pre-qualification and getting pre-approved by a loan officer, it's critical. It shows that you're serious. You cannot and should not look at homes until you have a pre-approval letter in hand. So why is getting pre-approved for a mortgage so important? Well, it means that a lender has reviewed your financial situation. They've confirmed your ability to take a mortgage payment on. So when you get a mortgage pre-approval, your lender estimates how much you can afford to borrow, what your interest rate could be, and how much your mortgage payments could be. You and I will use this information to focus on homes you can afford. The mortgage pre-approval is really important because if you don't secure it, the seller might not trust your offer as genuine and it won't get accepted. So you might lose out on a home that you love just because you didn't get verified. And so that is the main difference, and that's why it's so important not to just get pre-qualified, but to make sure you get pre-approved.